Top 50 MCQs on periodic table. Question number 1 is, how many periods in group are present in the periodic table? इसका सही जवाब है ऑप्शन 1, that is 7 period in 18 group. What is the other name for group 18th element? And the correct option is option first, noble gases. Which of the following elements in group 17 is the most reactive? And the correct option is option third, fluorine. Which element melting point is the highest? Correct option is option first, silicon. Which of the following best describes the correct order of oxygen, fluorine and nitrogen atomic radii? And the correct option is option third. Which of the following elements has two shells, both of which are filled completely? Correct option is option first. The elements that do not normally form compounds are, and the correct option is option fourth, inert gases. Which of the following does not decrease as one descends the group of the periodic table? Correct option is option fourth. What happens to an element electropositive nature as it moves from left to the right in a periodic table? Correct option is option second, decreases. A lithium atom has 3 protons, 3 neutrons and 3 electrons. Which of the following sets of particles represent an isotopes of this atom? And the correct option is option fourth. Transition metals refer to which group of elements? Correct option is option third. Which of the following options best represent the correct order of electronegativity? And the correct option is option fourth. In relation to halogens, which statement is true? Correct option is option third. What compound is employed in the calibration of ultraviolet light? And the correct option is option third. Which of the following statement about the acidic character is accurate? And the correct option is option first. The period number is matched to the highest value of the following quantum numbers, and the correct option is option fourth. The periodic table group 2, 14 and 16 are home to the element A, B, C respectively. What element will create covalent bonds between the two others? And the correct option is option second. Which of the following is true about neutrons? And the correct option is option first. Considering the hydration enthalpy, which of the following orders is correct? And the correct option is option second. Which of the following conditions would increase the yield of ammonia production from the Bose-Haber process? And the correct option is option fourth. Lithium, magnesium and beryllium, aluminium, the relationship are known as the dash relationship. Correct option is option second. An element M is in group 13 of the periodic table. The formula for its oxide is, correct option is option second. Magnesium has an atomic number of, and the correct option is option third. In period from left to right, electron affinity of element, correct option is first, increases. Recurrence of same pattern in periodic table is called its answer is periodicity. The vertical line in the modern periodic table are, option is second, group. The element in group 0 is called, correct option is first, inert gases. Which element has the atomic number 8? Correct option is option 1, oxygen. How many groups are present in modern periodic table? And the correct option is option first, 18. Which one is known as the father of modern periodic table? Correct option is option first, Mendeleev. How many periods are present in the modern periodic table? और इसका सही जवाब है 7 पीरियड। विच ऑफ द एलिमेंट इज और आर न्यू इन द पीरियोडिक टेबल? करेक्ट ऑप्शन इज ऑप्शन थर्ड। Terbium atomic mass of 159 belongs to block. Correct option is option fourth. Russian chemist Dmitry Mendeleev in 1869 devised. Correct option is option first. The most electronegative element in the periodic table is, and the correct option is option first, fluorine. Next, for yet undiscovered element, periodic table has, correct option is option fourth, gaps. The horizontal rows in the Mendeleev periodic table is called as, correct option is option third. Which was the incomplete periodic in the long form of the modern periodic table? Correct answer is first, 7th period. Which of the following period is shortest one? Answer is first, 1. Which of the following element is not a transition element? Correct option is option third, zinc. What is the nature of the transition element? Correct option is option A, metallic. What is the first element of the fourth transition series in the periodic table? Correct option is option C, actinium. The study of transition element is useful. Correct option is option A, true. How many series of transition elements are present in the periodic table? Correct option is option D, 4. All D block elements are transition elements. Correct option is option B, false. Which of the following element belongs to the first transition series of the periodic table? Correct option is option A, vanadium. Which of the following element belong to the second transition series of the periodic table? Correct option is option D, niobium. The law of octaves states, correct option is option first. Mendeleev's periodic table is based on, correct option is option fourth, none of these. Mark the group that has the maximum number of elements in Mendeleev periodic table, and the correct option is option third.